If we want to understand the true nature of things, we will inevitably have to call upon two of philosophy's most enduring concepts: substance and structure. These notions, sometimes referred to as essence and form, are critical to understanding the deep nature of reality. However, you might be wondering, what do these labels actually mean? Substance refers to what something is fundamentally made of, its underlying stuff. This is the core or essential reality of an object, the part that persists even as its outward characteristics change. For example, a clay statue may be reshaped, but the clay itself remains the same substance throughout. Substance is the isness of something, its basic material or essence. Structure, on the other hand, refers to the specific arrangement of characteristics that give the substance a recognizable identity. Structure is what gives form to substance, shaping it in such a way that it becomes a particular object. For instance, a tree's form includes the texture of the bark, how tall and thick the trunk is, as well as the pattern of its branches and leaves. This form makes a thing identifiable and unique. Essence and form help us to understand why objects come to exist and how they change. While substance remains stable, structure can shift, which allows us to explain processes like growth, decay, and transformation. For example, ice, liquid water, and steam are all forms of the same substance, H2O, which takes on different properties depending on the circumstances. These ideas also play a key role in metaphysical debates about the nature of reality. Some philosophers argue that structure is what makes things intelligible. Without structure, substance would be chaotic and indeterminate. Others emphasize that substance is the true foundation of existence, the real part of things. Interestingly, substance and structure are often intertwined, each influencing the other. The morphology of ice crystals is determined by the underlying properties of the substance, water, while the atomic structure of an element defines its chemical nature. We might also think of substance as the primitive stuff of existence, whether that be matter, energy, information, or consciousness, while structure could be understood as the particular form or mode that this substance takes in the real world. Together, they form a framework for understanding what things are and how they come to be. In simpler terms, substance is the essential stuff of reality, while structure refers to the regularities and patterns that shape this stuff into the distinct entities we recognize. Understanding how substance and structure interact helps us to grasp the true nature of existence and the fundamental principles and processes that shape our world. Do you have a notion of the essence of existence? And if so, why do you think it manifests in the forms we can observe?